This is Mahendra. Next, welcome to IACA. So, friends, in reasoning demo class, first year we are going to discuss coding and decoding. And yes, friends, if it is a coding and decoding, and in your preliminary exam, it will cover compulsory 5 marks. Compulsory 5 marks. If it is a mains, compulsory will cover compulsory 5 marks. And yes, friends, remember 2016 IBPS PO mains before. Out of all topics in reasoning, which is the easiest topic means only coding and decoding. But at present, all topics, which is the tricky topic means only coding and decoding. And yes. So friends, here, what is the meaning of coding and what is the meaning of decoding and what is the need to provide coding and decoding to our data? Yes. Suppose friends, take friends here. Friends, here we are having transmitter and here we are having receiver and here we are having receiver. Suppose if the transmitter is going to transmit the signal, then the receiver is going to receive. But between transmitter and receiver, here we are having the communication channel. Here we are having the communication channel. Yes. Friends, here communication channel means what? Free space. That means medium. So remember, if it is a communication channel, there is a chance to hack our data. There is a chance to hack our data. So to avoid this hacking problem, here we are going to fix coder at transmitter side and decoder at receiver side. Yes. Friends, here how this coder and decoder is going to eliminate hacking problem means, suppose friends take here any information. Suppose friends, here information is what? Hi. Suppose if you are going to give this information as input our coder, it is going to convert our original data into some other coding form. Suppose friends, check here coding form is, suppose take binary form and suppose take here 10110 something. Yes. Next, suppose consider this one is what? Hi. But remember, along with this original data, our coder is going to add some more extra bits. Yes. Remember, adding of these extra bits to our original data is called as a encryption. Yes. So here 10110 means what? Hi. For that, if you are adding extra bits means our information is going to change. Maybe it is going to change. Hi. See here. Hi is what? Our original data. Hi is what? Our duplicate data or encrypted data. After encryption, this coder is going to transmit. At the receiver side, here we are having the decoder. It is going to perform decryption. That means it is going to remove this extra, adding 3 bits and gives 10110 to the receiver. Here 10110 means what? Hi. So friends, here we know between transmitter and receiver, here we are having the hacking problem. Suppose if the hacker is going to hack our data means, at present in our channel here we are having the encrypted data or duplicate data. That means he is able to get this encrypted data, but he is not able to get exact information. So remember, to provide security to our data, here we are going to provide coding and decoding. And even if you are going to check our WhatsApp messages, and if you are going to start any new conversation with any new person, at the starting it will display one message: your chat is end-to-end encrypted. How they are going to provide encryption and decryption means by using this coding and decoding technique. Yes. So friends, if it is a coding and decoding, and see here, friends, in coding and decoding, first here we are going to remember the face value for each and every alphabet. At the same time, here we are going to remember opposite letters. And yes. So friends, here suppose what the face value for A means here 1. Next face value for B is for 2. Next face value for C is for 3, and so on. For Z is for 26. Yes. So friends, to remember this face values, here we are having one small logic. And yes, what the logic means here? SOT. Logic is what? SOT. AAJOTY. Yes. Suppose what the face value for M is what? 1. What the face value for M is what? 5. That means we are going to remember between 1 and 5. Yes. Next face value for J is what? 10. Next for Y is what? 15. Next for T is what? 20. Next for Y is what? 25. Yes. Otherwise, if you are having practice me, then without by heart, compulsory we are able to remember. And yes. Next. Suppose friends, here opposite A is what? Z. Friends, check here. Here opposite A is what? Z. Opposite to B is what? Y. Next, opposite to C is what? X, and so on. Opposite to M is what? Here, N. So friends, what is the logic to remember opposite letters? Yes. Remember, in generally here we are having 26 alphabets and we are having 26 alphabets. So friends, in order to find opposite letters, we are going to consider total alphabets are 27. Total alphabets are 27. Yes. Suppose friends check here. Suppose friends take here P and suppose friends take here P. Now I want to find opposite to P. For that purpose, I am going to consider total alphabets are 27. Suppose friends take here P face value. P face value is what? 16. Now 27 minus 16 is what? Here 11. 11 means what? Here K. 11 means what? K. That means opposite to P is what? K. Opposite to P is what? K. Suppose friends take here L and take here L. Now I want to find opposite to L. For that purpose, I am going to consider total alphabets are 27. What the face value for L means what? Here 12. 27 minus 12 is what? Here 15. 15 means what? Here O. That means friends check here. Opposite L is what? O. Opposite L is what? O. Next, suppose friends take here V and now I want to find opposite to V. For that purpose, I am going to consider total alphabets are 27. Suppose friends here, what the face value for V means what? Here 22. 27 minus 22 is what? Here 5. 5 means what? Here E. That means friends check here. Opposite to V is what? Here E. So friends, please remember face values and opposite letters. Why means if it is a preliminary exam means they will give old models, but if it is a mains means compulsory they will give new pattern. And if it is a new pattern means it is completely based upon these face values and opposite letters. Yes. So friends, here in coding and decoding, so friends, here first one is what? Substitutional coding. First one is what? Substitutional coding. Next, second one is what? Here, see here, substitutional coding or Chinese coding. Next, second one is what? Here, conditional coding. Second one is what? Conditional coding. Next, third one is what? Here, binary coding. Third one is what? Here, binary coding. Next, fourth one is what? Word coding. That means one word they will give for one word. Here we are going to make code. Yes, see here. Friend, these three are the 5 marks model. This one is what? 1 mark. This one is 1 mark. That substitutional coding, old model is different, new model is different. Conditional coding, old model is different and new model is different. Next, binary coding, here we are having only one model. Yes. Suppose friends, here, if it is a substitutional coding, here we will take one example. Friends, check here. Friends, if it is a substitutional coding, check here. Study the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. Next, leave it. In a certain code language, a Trump renews offer grant is coded as NOSTMLPO. Yes. Friends, this is our original data. But our original data is going to convert into some other coding form. Here coding form is what? NOSTMLPO. Yes. Now, next one is what? Trump grant till now is written as IT. Next, WONOPO. Next, no is renews time is coded as WOSKSTET. Next, a grant is time code is written as POSKETCA. Yes. Now, what is the code for Trump? Yes. Friends, first I will explain like basic type. That means if you are having those one who is having zero knowledge, for that people first I will explain. After that, then by using question only we are able to solve. Yes. First I will give basic method. See here. Friends, what the basic method means? See here. Friends, now take first line. Now we are going to compare with remaining lines. And then we are going to check is there is any information is common. Yes. Now, friends, here first word is what? Trump. First word is what? Trump. Now we are going to check in remaining lines Trump. Friends, here first line here we are having Trump. Second line also here we are having Trump. See here, second line. That means first line, second line, common information is Trump. Then first line, second line, there is a one common code. One check here, common code. Friends, check here. Here we are having NO at the same time. Next ST not there. Next ML not there. PO also same. Yes, friends, check here. Friends, in first line and second line, here two codes are same, but only one information is common. Only one information is common means now remaining line check here. NO here we are having PO. Next here NO PO. Next check here remaining lines NO PO present or not. Here PO is present. That means see here what the code for Trump means. See here answer is what? NO. Why means in only first line and second line common information is Trump. First line, second line common code is what? NO. Friends, here PO is present in first line, second line, and last line. That means for PO, no chance. So, what the code for Trump means? Answer is what? PO. Answer is what? PO. Suppose next one is what? Renews. Yes, friends, check here. This one is what? Renews. Now we are going to check remaining lines. Here is there is any renews or not. Here first line. Next one is what? Here third line. First line, third line. Common information is renews. Now common code is what? Friends, check here. ST, here we are having ST, ML, next one is for PO. That means here we are having ST, here also we are having ST. That means what the code for here? Renews means answer is for ST. Answer is for ST. Next one, offer. Friends, check here first line, here we are having offer. In remaining lines, there is no offer. Leave it. Next one, grant. Friends, here we are having grant. See here we are having grant. Next, here also here we are having grant. Then first line, friends, check here first line, second line, next. See here, last line also here we are having grant. Now, first line, second line, last line, common code. See here, first line, second line, last line, common code is what? PO. Here also here we are having PO. Next here also we are having PO. That means what the code for grant means? Answer is what? PO. Answer is what? PO. Yes. Now, line number 1, remaining information is what? Offer. Remaining code is what? ML. Remaining code is what? ML. Yes. Next, suppose friends take line number 2, compare with remaining lines. Now, Trump completed, grant completed. Next one is what? Till. In remaining lines, there is no till. Next one, no. Friends, see here we are having no. Next, see here we are having no. Next, here also we are having no. Then second line, third line. Common code is what? Friends, check IT. Next, W. See here we are having WO. Here also we are having WO. Yes. Then what the code for no means? Answer is what? WO. Next one. Remaining information is till. Remaining code is what? It. It. Yes. Now. Take third line, compare with remaining lines. Now friends, check here. Third line, remaining information is what? Time. Here, remaining is what? Here, time. Now, third line, fourth line, common code is what? Here, we are having SK. Next here also we are having SK. Then, what the code for time means? Answer is what? SK. Answer is what? SK. Yes. Next, next remaining is what? Only fourth line and yes. Friends, if it is a classroom means we will take first line, then we are compare with remaining lines. But if it is a examination hall means directly we are able to solve. One question I will explain like basic type. Next question directly I am going to solve it. Yes. Now here question is what the code for Trump? What the code for Trump? Friends, here Trump, next here Trump. That means here circle, here are circle means here circle is the code. See here circle means circle is the code. Tick mark means tick mark is the code. Into means into mark is the code. Now Trump, what the code for Trump means? Answer is what? NO. Answer is what? NO. Yes. So question number 1, answer is what? Here option A. Answer is what? Option A. What is the code for till now? What is the code for till now in the given code language? Yes, friends, check. What is the code for till now one is? Yes, friends, check. Friends, the given one is what? What is the code for till now? What is the code for till now in the coding language? Yes. Friends, what the code for here till? See here, till code is what? Here IT. Till code is what? Here IT. Next, what the code for here? No. What the code for here? No. Friends, here no, here no. That means just line. Here line, here line. That means here WO, here also WO. Then what the code for here? Till now means answer is what? IT WO. Answer is what? IT WO. So for question number 2 and see here. Friends, here IT WO. Then question number 2, answer is what? Here option B. Answer is what? Option B. That means friends, simply remember. See here. What the code for Trump means? Answer is what? NO. Here circle means here circle. Suppose what the code for renews means? Tick mark. Here also tick mark is the answer. Next one. Offer. Here remaining information is offer. Remaining code is what? ML. So what the code for offer means? Answer is what? ML. Next one. Here grant. Here into mark. Here also into mark is what? PO. What the code for grant means? Answer is what? PO. Next. See here. Next one. Here till. Remaining information is till. Remaining code is what? IT. Next one is what? Next one is what? No. Here no. Here that means here line. That means here also line means what? WO. Next one is what? Here time. Next here like wrong. Here also wrong means what? SK. That means friends, check here. Here we are going to take first line, then we are comparing with remaining all lines. Yes. Suppose friends, here some cases they will give question like this and some cases they will give question is like this. See here. They will give question. Suppose what is the code for reasoning? What is the code for here reasoning? Yes. Suppose friends, here they given question is what the code for reasoning. Suppose they given option number 1 is what? Friends, check here ST. Next option number 2 is what? Here NO. Next option number 3 is what? Here ML. Next Option number 4 is what? Here, AI. Option number 4 is AI. Next, option number 5 is what? Here, CA. Option number 5 is what? CA. Yes. Now, friends, here, the given question is what? What is the code for reasoning? What the code for reasoning? Friends, here, reasoning is not present in our given information. Remember, if the information is not present in our given information, the code for that one is except given code. That means other than given codes, other than given codes. That means one new code. Then check here. Friends, here, ST is present, no chance. Next one, NO is already present, no chance. ML is present, no chance. Next, CE also present, no chance. Then answer is what? AI. Answer is what? AI. Remember, if the information is not present in our given information, the code for that one is what? Except the given code. That means one new code. Yes. Suppose if the given options are like this, answer is what? AI. Suppose if the given option is like this, suppose option number 1 is ST, option number 2 is NO, option number 3 is what? ML, option number 4 is what? AI, option number 5 is what? Cannot be determined. Cannot be determined. Now answer is what? Cannot be determined. Yes. Remember, friends, based upon question and based upon options, your answer will change. And see, if it is a preliminary exam, for this model, they will give total 5 questions. Out of 5 questions, this one is compulsory model. And if the information is not present, the code for that one is what? Except given code. That means one new code. If only new code is present, answer is new code. If new code is present along with C and D, that means cannot be determined also present, then answer is what? Cannot be determined. Suppose some cases they will give question is like this. So friends, here, what is the possible code for reasoning? What is the possible code for reasoning? Now, they give an option is, option number 1 is ST, next option number 2 is NO, option number 3 is ML, option number 4 is what? AI, option number 5 is what? Cannot be determined. Now, in this case, answer is what? AI. Why means here they mention one is what? Possible. Possible means what? There is a chance. There is a chance. Yes. Now, in this case, answer is AI. Suppose they will give question is like this. And suppose again, what the code for? What is the code for? Next, what the code for? Here, time offer granted. Suppose time offer grant. Friends, here the again question is what the code for time offer grant? What the code for your time? Remaining time here into mark here also like this means answer is what? Here SK. Next offer. Friends, here offer. Remaining information is offer. Remaining code is what? Here ML. Next grant. Here grant. That means first line last line. Here PO. Yes. Answer is what? SK, ML, PO. But some cases they give an option is ML. They give an option is ML. Next one is what? PO. Next one is what? SK. Friends, this option is true and this option is true. Remember, the codes are not necessarily in the same order. The thing is whether all codes are present or not. Yes. So for this model, total they will give 5 questions. Out of 5 questions, these two are the compulsory model. And so first one is what? If the information is not present, the code for that one is what? Except the given code. That means one new code. Next one is what? The codes are not necessarily in the same order. Yes. Next, suppose friends, check here. For first question, one more same model I took. Friends, in first question I explained detail. That means see here, those one who is having zero knowledge, that means like basic type one, like basic. But in exam hall, how we are going to solve it? See here, if it is an exam hall, don't read the question. Don't read the question. Just directly take the given question. See here, don't read the given information. Directly take the question. See here, what does PA stands for? What does PA stands for? Check here, PA is present in which line? PA is present in which line? Yes. So friends, here PA is present in only first line. PA is present in only first line. That means line number 1 only information is PA. Now line number line number 1 only code is PA. Line number 1 only information. Line number 1 only information means here in remaining lines my is not there. Next name is there. Leave it. Next in. Friends, in also not there. Next merit. Friends, in remaining lines here merit is there. Next list also there. Then what the code for PA? What the code for PA means? Now answer is what? My and at the same time in. So answer is what? My or in. My or in means answer is what? They given my separate, they given in separate. But we can't say definite code. My there is chance to get in also. Then simple answer is what? Cannot be determined. Directly we are going to take on. If it is a IBPS, RRB, or if it is a SB, and if it is IBPS, RRB, PO prelims, out of 40 questions and out of 40 questions, to solve reasoning questions, to solve reasoning 40 questions, hardly it will take 16 to 17 minutes and 16 to 17 minutes if you are having good practice. Yes. Next, suppose friends, go for next question. Suppose friends, they given question is what is the code for my? What is the code for my? Now friends, what is the code for my and what is the code for my? My is present in only first line. My is present in only first line. So first line only codes. What are the codes means? PA is present in only first line. Next, PU is there. Remaining lines PU is there. Leave it. Next, ED. Remaining lines it is not there. ED. Next, AD. In remaining lines AD is there, LA also there. Then what the code for my means? Answer is for PARED. Answer is for PARED. Then simple answer is for PARED. So answer is for either A or C. Yes. This is the way of solving in exam and way of solving in exam. Just don't read the information, just take question, then directly you should compare. And yes, if it is a exam hall, if they give any question, just put your finger on your monitor and then check. While if you are going to write and if you are going to solve means it will take time, and so don't do like that. Just take the question, just put your finger on your monitor and then check. Next, suppose friends, take here next one more question. What does WO stands for? What does WO stands for means? Friends, WO is present in only this line. WO is present in only this line. Yes. So in third line only code is for WO. Then only information. Merit, eliminate, remaining lines merit is there. Next, list, friends, here also list is there, eliminate. Next one is part has display. Next one is part has display. Friends, here in remaining lines, here we are having has, here also we are having has. Then only information is displayed, only code is for WO. Then answer is for displayed. So question number 3, answer is for option D and yes. Friends, like this we are going to solve in exam hall. Yes. Next, for this substitutional coding, take new pattern. Friends, yes. Friends, they given this question in 2016 IBPS PO main. 2016 IBPS PO mains. In 2016 IBPS PO mains, out of 60 marks in reasoning, your cutoff is 5.25 and 5.25. Why means from 16 onwards they are changing your reasoning syllabus. And yes. Now friends, check here. Friends, what the main difference between previous example and this one means? In the previous example, here we are having the common, but here there is no. Here no words are common. Next, so friends, in the previous example, here we are having only letters, but here in this code, here in each and every code, here we are having one letter, here we are having one number, here we are having one symbol. Yes, friends, remember friends, here in each and every code, here we are having one letter, here we are having one number, here we are having one symbol. Yes. Friends, try to identify logic for anyone, maybe letter, maybe number, or maybe symbol, or maybe here whatever it may be. Yes. Friends, remember, and identifying logic for letter is easy. Next, number also easy. And better to go with letter logic or number logic. Yes. Suppose friends, check here. Once read the given information, give solution for problem is written as star N8 hash R3 percentage M7 at the rate E4. Suppose friends, one check here, given. Suppose friends, check here, give. See here. Friends, in give, ending letter is what? Here E. Give, ending letter is what? Here E. Next, solution, ending letter is what? Here N. Check friends here. Here E is present. Next, solution, ending letter is what? N also present. For ending letter is what? Here R. R also present. Next, problem, ending letter is what? Here M. Ending letter is what? M. That means logic for letter is what? Last letter of the given word. Suppose if you are having any doubt, check for next line also. Check for next line. Suppose friends, pure ending with here E. E is there or not there? Yes. Next, fruits ending with yes. Here also we are having yes. Next one, cell ending with here L. Here also we are having L. Next one, grade ending with here T. Here also we are having T. Yes. Then logic for letter is what? Last letter of the given word. Yes. Friends, remember, if you are able to identify one logic, try to take the default code. How we are going to take default code means? Suppose my question is what? Friends, check here. What the code for given? What the code for here? Give. Friends, what the code for give means? Here logic for letter is what? Last letter. So in give, ending letter is what? Here E. So friends, check here in the first line E is present in only one code. E is present in only one code. Then what the code for give means? Answer is for at the rate E4. Answer is for at the rate E4. Yes. Friends, here logic for here letter is found here last letter of the given word. Yes. Now by taking this given word, by taking this given word, now we are going to analyze logic for symbol and logic for number. Friends, here by using give, how we are going to get 4? How we are going to get 4? Now friends, here give hang how many letters? See here 1 2 3 4. That means here 4. That means logic for number is what? Number of letters in the given word. Number of letters in the given word. Yes. So friends, here in give, how many letters here we are having? 4 letters. That means this one is what? Here E4. Solution having total how many letters? Here 3 6 8. That means this one is what? Here N8. Next, for having how many letters here? 3. That means here R3. Check once here R3. Problem having how many letters here? 7. That means here M7. Yes. Next, in second line also if you want to check means, now friends, check here. Pure ending is what? Here E. Pure having how many letters here? 4. Next, fruits ending is what? Yes. Fruits having how many letters here? 6. Cell ending is what? L. Cell having how many letters here? 4. Grade ending is what? T. Grade having how many letters here? 5. Check one. See here. T5 is there. Next, E4 also there. Next, L4 is there. S6 also there. Yes. Now, logic for letter is completed and logic for number also completed. Logic for letter is what? Last letter of the given word. Next, logic for number is what? Number of letters in the given word. Yes. Next, logic for symbol. Logic for symbol. Yes. Now, friends, check here. Logic for symbol and friends, first line, first word is what? G. See here, first line here give, first letter is what? G. Now grade, first letter is what? G. First letter is what? G. Now E4 before symbol is what? At the rate. E4 before symbol is what? At the rate. That means assume if it is starting with, if the word is starting with G, symbol is at the rate. Now friends, check here second line here G. This one is starting with here G. Starting with G means here symbol is what? At the rate. That means answer is what? Here at the rate T5. Answer is what? Here at the rate T5. Yes. Next, go for next one. Solution. Solution is starting with yes. Next one is what? Cell also starting with yes. Now friends, here N8. N8 before symbol is what? Star. N8 before symbol is what? Star. That means starting with S means symbol is what? Star. Next, here also here starting with yes, then symbol is what? Here star. That means answer is what? Star L4. Answer is what? Star L4. Next, suppose friends, check here. This one is starting with F. This one is starting with F. Now fruits also starting with F. Starting with F means symbol is one. Check here. Starting with here R3. R3 before symbol is what? Hash. R3 before symbol is what? Hash. Now friends, check here. So friends, check here. The given is what? Hash R3. See here. Hash R3. Yes. Starting with F means symbol is what? Here hash. Here also this one is starting with F. Then symbol is what? Hash. Then answer is what? Hash S6. Answer is what? Hash S6. Yes. Next one problem starting with P. Pure is starting with P. Now see here M7 before symbol is what? Percentage. Starting with P means symbol is percentage. Here also compulsory symbol is what? Percentage. Then answer is what? Percentage E4. Answer is what? Percentage E4. Yes. Now friends, for this one logic for letter is what? Logic for letter is what? Last letter of the given word. Last letter of the given word. Next, logic for number is what? Number of letters in the given word. Number of letters in the given word. Next, logic for symbol is first letter of the given word. First letter of the given word. Yes. Suppose friends, here, see here. The again question is what is the code for Sony? What is the code for Sony? Yes. So friends, the again question is what is the code for Sony? Logic for letter is what? Last letter. Last letter is what? Here Y. Logic for number is what? Number of letters. Number of letters is what? 4. That means here Y4. Now logic for symbol. This one is starting with yes. So friends, see here starting with S. Starting with S means symbol is what? Star. That means answer is what? Star Y4. Answer is what? Star Y4. Suppose the again question is what the code for pet? What the code for pet? Now this one is ending with here T. Ending with T. Pet having how many letters? 3 letters. That means this one is what? Here T3. Now starting with P and starting with P. Friends, starting with P. See here, starting with P. Starting with P means symbol is what? Here, percentage. Symbol is what? Percentage. See here, problem ending is what? M. Next, problem having 7 letter M7 before symbol is what? Percentage. That means starting with P means symbol is what? Percentage. Then answer is what? Percentage T3. So what the code for pet means? Answer is what? Percentage T3. Yes. Now, friend, this one is easy logic. This one is easy logic, but in 2016 IBPS PO mains, see here, IBPS PO mains, they given this question. They given this question for 5 marks and for 5 marks. But in classroom means we are going to feel it is that easy. But in examination hall, maybe there is chance to feel tough. And why means these models are previously not present in our classroom directly without giving single intimation. They given in our mains. Yes, friends. Same. I will discuss one more question. See here. Next question, friends. Again, they again this question in 2019 SBI PO main. 2019 SBI PO mains. Remember, friends, if it is my class and compulsory, I will cover from prelims onwards. I will start. Next, I will take here in depth. That too I will cover minimum last 3 years previous questions and why means. If they give one question last year SBI PO mains means they will repeat this year clerical mains. They will repeat clerical mains. Yes. So friend, that is the main reason we should cover minimum 3 to 4 years your previous papers and yes. Now they again this question in 2019 SBI PO mains. Yes, friends, check here. They mention is what words make sentence meaningful is written as $8 A, $8 A, next 2 exclamatory R, next 6 hash C, next $14 F. Friends, by seeing this question, which logic we are going to get? See, in each and every word, here we are having one number, here we are having one letter, here we are having one symbol and one symbol. Try to identify logic for anyone, maybe letter or maybe number or maybe symbol and but it is better to identify logic for letter or logic for here number and why means symbol some cases it will change. Now friends again, friends again once observe here. Here we are having A, here we are having R, here we are having C, here we are having F. Now once observe these letters positions in the given word. See here, words. Friends, in words from right hand, third letter is what? Right hand, third letter is what? R. Suppose. See here, now here I am going to assume the logic for letter is what? See here, from right hand, third letter. Yes. Here words, third letter is what? R. R is present. Suppose. Make from right hand, third letter is what? Here A. Here also A is present. Yes. Next. Sentence from right hand third letter is what? C. Here C is present. Next. Here next one is what? Meaningful. From right hand third letter is what? F. F also present. Yes. Now logic for letter is what? From right hand third letter. From right hand third letter. Yes. If we know the logic for letter, anyone simply take default code. Simply take default code. Suppose now my question is what the code for here? Words. What the code for here? Words. So friends, here what the code for words means, here we know the logic for letter. Logic for letter is what? From right hand third letter. Right hand third letter is what? 1, 2, 3 here R. So in first line R is present in only one code. Then answer is what? 2 exclamatory. Next one is what here? R. Now answer is what? 2 exclamatory R. Now by using words, how we are going to get 2? By using words, how we are going to get 2? Yes. Now take 2, 3 codes, then I will explain that number logic. Next, suppose friends take next one is what? Here stops. Next one is what? Here stops. Now friends stops from right hand third letter. From right hand, see here. Sorry, not stops. From first line only take. See here. First line friends here. After words, next one is what? Make. Next one is what? Here make. So friends here, make means from right hand third letter is what? A. First line A is present in only one code. Then answer is what? $8 A. Answer is what? $8 A. Next one. After make, next one is what? Sentences. Next one is what? Sentences. Yes, friends, okay. Next one is what? Here, sentences. Yes, next one is what? Sentences. Now from right hand third letter is what? Here C. Right hand third letter is what? C. C is present in only one code. Then answer is what? 6 hash C. Answer is what? 6 hash C. Next take here, last one. See here, meaningful. Next one is what? Here, meaningful. Friends, check here. Next one is what? Here, meaningful. Next one, see here. Right hand third letter is what? F. Now, F means here code is what? $14 F. $14 F. Now, friends, logic for letter is completed. Logic for letter is what? In the given word, third letter from right hand. Third letter from right hand. Yes. Now, by using this one, by using these words, how we are going to get numbers? How we are going to get numbers? Yes. Suppose friends check here, make having how many letters here? 4. Make having how many letters here? 4. Next friends check here. Here words having total how many letters here? See here, words having total, friends check here. Here words having total 5 letters. Total 5 letters. Next. Sentences having total how many letters? Here, 9 letters. Sentences having total how many letters? 9 letters. Next one is part here, meaningful. Next one is part here, meaningful. Meaningful having how many letters total here? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we are having total 10 letters. Here we are having 10 letters. Yes. Friends, make having total 4 letters, but they give number is part 8. There is chance to get one logic, double, suppose. Here words 5, but here 2. That logic is not applicable. Then go for next one. See here. Friends, here word this word contains here may contain total how many letters? Here 4. That means here even. If it is a even number of letters may, then add plus 4. Add plus 4. Remember, see here. If it is a even number of letters, then add plus 4. Next. Suppose, friends, okay, here meaningful. Here also here we are having even number of letters. If it is a even number of letters means what? Here plus 4. Now 10 plus 4 is what? 14. Now 4 plus 4 is what? Here 8. 4 plus 4 is what? 8. Next one. Friends, here words and here words and total how many letters here means here 5. But they give a number is what? 2. That means if the word contains odd number of letters, then minus 3. Then minus 3. Yes. Now, suppose friends take a sentences. Friends here sentences having total how many letters here? 9. Odd. If the word contains odd number of letters, then minus 3. Then 9 minus 3 is what? Answer is what? 6. Answer is what? 6. Yes. So for this one, logic for letter is completed. Logic for number also completed. Logic for letter is what? Tall letter from right hand. Next, logic for number is what? If the word contains even number of letters, then plus 4. If the word contains odd number of letters, then minus 3. Next, suppose next last one is what? What is the code for symbols? What the code for symbol and yes. So symbol code is one here. Friends, for symbols, maximum we are having 2-3 logics and for symbols, first logic is first letter of the given word. Otherwise, last letter of the given word. Last letter of the given word. Otherwise, number of letters in the given word. Number of letters in the given word. Next, number of letters even. Otherwise, here odd. These are the maximum possible logics and possible logics. Yes. Suppose friends, check here for this one. See here, first letters are common anyway. See here words. Here also here we are having weak. Here we are having weak. Here we know words code is what? Friends, check here. Words code is what? 2 exclamatory R. Suppose friends take here weaken. Suppose friends take here weak. So friends, weak code is what? Logic for letter is what? Tall letter from right hand. Tall letter from right hand is what? Here E. Next, logic for number is what? If the word contains even number of letters, then plus 4. Odd number of letters, minus 3. Weak contains total 4 letters. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 means this one is what? Here. This one is what? Here 8. Friends, here words code is what? Here 2 exclamatory R. Now here 8E. 8E between symbol is what? Here exclamatory. That means here what is the logic for symbol means here starting is what? W. Here also starting is what? W. That means logic for symbol is what? First letter of the given word. First letter of the given word. That means if it is starting with W, symbol is what? Exclamatory. Suppose if it is starting with M, symbol is what? Dollar. Suppose if it is starting with yes, symbol is what? Here hash. Symbol is what? Here hash. Suppose friends take any one and suppose see here stops. Suppose friends take here stops. What are the code for stops? What are the code for here stops and yes. Logic for letter is what? Tall letter from right hand. Tall letter from right hand is what? Here O. Logic for here number is what? Here word stops contains total 5 letters. Odd. Odd means what? Minus 3. Minus 3 means what? Here 2. Minus 3 means what? Here 2. Now starting is what? Yes. Starting is S means symbol is what? Hash. Here also compulsory symbol is what? Hash. Then what the code for stops means answer is what? 2 hash O. Answer is what? 2 hash O. Yes. Suppose. Friends, check here. Now we are going to fill here this end, this blank we are going to fill now. Friends, eagerly letter logic is what? From right hand third letter is what? R. Here R here is there, here also there. Then eagerly having total how many letters here? 7 letters. That means odd number of letters means what? Minus 3. 7 minus 3 is what? 4. That means this is the code for eagerly. This is the code for eagerly. Next, receives from right hand third letter is what? Here V. So here V. Yes, this one is completed. Now this one is remaining 6% R. Spend check here. Now 6% R and 6% R. First we are going to check what the logic for here percentage. What the logic for percentage? That means logic for symbol is what? First letter. Logic for symbol is what? Here first letter. So percentage is present in this line. Check here. R. Third letter is R. Third letter is R means what? This one. So starting with P means symbol is what? Percentage. That means this one is what? Here P and D. See here. Friends, 12% is R. Here R logic is what? Letter logic is what? From right hand third letter. Check in the given words. Right hand third letter is what? O. Here yes. Here R. That means here 12% is R. This is the code for here. Prepare. This is the code for prepare. That means starting is what? Here P. Starting is what? Here P. Next, sige, that means sige, starting letter is what? Here, P and starting is P. But from right hand third one is what? Sige, from right hand third letter is what? Here, R. Right hand third letter is R, but starting is P. Check once in the given option. Right hand third letter is R. Here, right hand third letter is what? R. But starting is what? P. Y means percentage symbol is what? P. Then simple answer is what? Option A. Yes. So friends, I hope so this question all of you understood. Here logic for letter is what? See here, logic for letter is first letter of the given word. Logic for number is if the word contains even number of letters plus 4, odd number of letters minus 3. Logic for here letter is what? From right hand third letter. Yes. They gave this question in 2019 SBI PO mains. Yes. Friends, if it is a reasoning lesson, compulsory 99.9% I will give. I will do justice for my subject. That too I will discuss maximum all previous examples and yes. Next, go for next one. Sige. Next. Suppose, friends, they are given this question. They given this question in 2018 SBI PO mains. 2018 SBI PO mains. Yes. So when they given one is what? Sige. Tradition. They given one is what here? Tradition. Take care. Tradition. Next one is what? Here. Festival. Next one is what here? Festival. Next one is what? Here. Iconic. Next one is what? Iconic. Yes. So friends, tradition, festival, iconic is called as 8x, 9j, 6xj. Yes. Friends, check it. The given is what? 8x. Take your numbers. The given numbers is what? 8. The given number is what? 9. The given one is what? 6. Friends, by seeing question only we are able to identify the logic for number and how means. Friends, here tradition having total how many letters? Here tradition having total 3, 6, 9 letters. Yes, here 9 is there. Festival having total how many letters means total is 3. Next 6, 8 letters. 8 also there. Next, iconic having how many letters here? 6. That means 6 also there. Yes. That means logic for number is what? Number of letters in the given word. Number of letters in the given word. Check here. Tradition. Tradition having total how many letters means? Here. 5. Next total is what? Here. 9. Tradition having total 9 letters. Next. Festival. Festival having total how many letters here? 8 letters. That means here. Number 8. Iconic having how many letters here? 6. That means here. Number 6. Yes. Here. 8, 9, 6. 8, 9, here 6. Now take default code. Tradition here 9. With 9, what the given letter? J. Next one is what? Here festival. With 8, what the given letter? X. Iconic. So with 6, what the given letters here? 6xj. If you are having any doubt, check for next line. See here. Now only logic for number is completed. Logic for number is what? Number of letters in the given word. Suppose from check here next one. See here. Next one is what? Aesthetic. Next one is what? Here aesthetic. Next one is what? Recreate. Next one is what? Here recreate. See here. Next one is what? Recreate. Next last one is what? Here vibe. Last one is what? Vibe. Now friends check here. Aesthetic and total letters total here 9 letters. Yes. 9 is present or not? Yes. Then answer is what? 9 VJ. Next one. Recreate. Recreate and total letters here 8. That means here this one is what? Here 8 E. Next, vibe and how many letters here? Number 4. So here 4W. Yes. Now, friends, by seeing this question only, simply we are able to identify logic for number. Logic for number is what? Number of letters in the given word. Now, logic for letter is little bit tough. Now, friends, here I will explain here logic for letter. Friends, tradition starting with T. Starting with that means consonant. Here we are having one letter. Festival, this one also starting with consonant. Here we are having one letter. Iconic is starting with vowel. That means here we are having 2 letters. That means if the word is starting with vowel, here we are having 2 letters. Here we are having 2 letters. Suppose check here. Starting with vowel, 2 letters. Yes. Starting with consonant, 1 letter. Starting with consonant, 1 letter. Yes. Now leave it. Now by using tradition, how we are going to get J? For this one, letter logic is little bit tough. See here. So friends, here by using tradition, how we are going to get J? For letters, maximum possible logics are first letter of the given word, otherwise last letter of the given word, otherwise first letter opposite, otherwise last letter opposite. First letter plus 1, next minus 1, last letter plus 1 or minus 1. Otherwise, middle letters, some cases they will give odd number of letters in the given words. Then in that case, middle letters, in that case, middle letters. Next, some cases from right hand, second letter opposite, minus 1 or minus 2. Left hand, second letter opposite, minus 1 or minus 2. Yes. Now, tradition take a from right hand, second letter is what? O. Second letter is what? O. O opposite is what? L. O opposite is what? L. L minus 1 minus 2 is what? J. That means here logic is what? From right hand, second letter opposite minus 2. Opposite minus 2. Suppose, check for festival. Check for your festival. Friends, here, in festival, from, see, from right hand, not left hand, sorry, from right hand, second letter is what? Here, A. Right hand, second letter is what? A. Now, A opposite is what? Friends, check here. A opposite is what? Z. Opposite minus 2. Z minus 1 minus 2 is what? X. Then answer is what? Here 8x. Answer is what? 8x. Next. Suppose friends check here next one. Recreate. Next one is what? Recreate. Yes. From right hand second letter. Second letter is what? Here T. Friends check here T opposite is what? Friends check here T opposite is what? G. Minus 2 is what? Minus 1 minus 2 is what? E. Then answer is what? 8 E. Next vibe. See here from right hand second letter is what? B. Now B opposite is what? Here Y. Minus 1 minus 2 is what? Here W. Yes. So logic for letter also completed if it is starting with consonant. See here. Logic for number is what? Number of letters in the given word. Next, logic for letter is what? If it is starting with consonant, from right hand second letter opposite minus 2. Next, if it is starting with vowel, if it is starting with vowel, now friends check here. Friends, here we are having two letters. Here we are having two letters. Yes. What the logic for first letter? What the logic for first letter? X and now from left hand second letter is what? C. Left hand second letter is what? C. Now C opposite is what? X. Friends, check it. C opposite is what? Here X. Next, logic for second letter. From right hand second letter is what? I. I plus 1 is what? Here J. Plus 1 is what? Here J. That means if it is starting with vowel, logic for here first letter is what? From left hand second letter opposite. Next, right hand second letter plus 1. Check for this one. If it is starting with vowel, logic for first letter is what? From left hand second letter is what? E. E opposite is what? Here. E opposite is what? V. E opposite is what? V. Now, right hand second letter is what? I plus 1. See here. Left hand second letter opposite, but next right hand second letter plus 1. I plus 1 is what? J. Yes. Suppose if you are having any doubt means now, suppose friend check here. Take a the given is what? Ottoman. Yes, friend check here. AU, TU. Next one is what? Here MN. Yes. First take here. How many letters here we are having? Total 6 letters. Total here we are having 6 letters. Yes. Next. Friends, see here. If it is starting with vowel means here we are having 2 letters and we are having 2 letters. Yes. First letter, second letter. Logic for first letter is what? From left and second letter opposite. Left and second letter is what? U. U opposite is what? F. See here. U opposite is what? Here. F. Now, logic for second letter is what? Friends, check here. This one is F1. This one is what? F. Now, logic for second letter is what? From right hand, second letter plus 1. M plus 1 is what? N. Then 6FN. Next one. Before one is what? They given during. They given here during. Yes. So here during how many letters here we are having? Totally here we are having 6 letters. Totally here we are having 6 letters. Yes. Starting with consonant. Starting with consonant means logic is what? From right hand, second letter opposite minus 2. N opposite is what? M. N opposite is what? M. Minus 2 is what? K. Then answer is what? 6K, 6FN. Answer is what? 6K, 6FN. Answer is what? Option C. Answer is what? Option C. Yes. Friends, for this one, logic for number is number of letters. Logic for letter is if it is starting with consonant from right hand second letter opposite minus 2. If it is starting with vowel means then logic for first letter is what? Left hand second letter opposite. Logic for second letter is what? From right hand second letter plus 1. Yes. They given this question in 2019, sorry, 2018 SBI PO mains. Friends, remember if it is a PO mains, compulsory they will give new pattern from coding and decoding. And yes. Next, we will check one more question. See here. next friends here. Friends here a demo class means here I given 2 to 3 examples and but if it is a regular class means only for coding and decoding here we plan total 5 sessions, that means total 10 hours and total 10 hours. That means from basics onwards I will come, then I will go for last 3 years SBA PO mains, IBPS PO mains and RRB PO mains. Yes, so friends here in demo class for this substitutional coding I given 2 3 examples. Next go for next model. See conditional coding and next one is for conditional coding. But friends here friends for substitutional coding, see for this coding and for this substitutional coding or Chinese coding, what are the logics and remember in the given word, see for logic for number and logic for number says if the number is less than 10 and if the number is less than 10. So friends, if the number is less than 10 means maximum possible logic is what? Number of letters in the given word. Otherwise, if it is less than 5, maximum logic is number of vowels or number of consonant. Suppose if the number is less than 26, logic is first letter opposite next plus number of letters. Otherwise, last letter opposite plus number of letters. If it is more than 26 or 30 means what? Number of letters into 2 or into 3 like that. Next, what the logic for letters means? So friends, letter logic is what? First letter of the given word, otherwise last letters, otherwise first letter opposite, otherwise last letter opposite, otherwise middle letters. Next, symbol logic is what? Friends, okay, symbol logic is number of letters in the given word, if it is a even or if it is a odd. Next, one more logic is what? Friends, okay, for number of letters, first letter of the given word, yes. Friends, these logics when we will get means once if you are having regular practice and per day practice only one new pattern. If you are going to make habituate means after 20 days compulsory we are able to solve each and every question from coding and decoding regarding to new model and yes. Next friends, for this substitutional coding, next I given only 2 3 examples. Next, if it is a regular class means more than 20 logics I will give. Next I will go for next one is one here conditional coding. I will give only new model. Friends, check here. They can this question in 2017 IBPS clerical mains and see here. Often they given rules and they given rules. Take a first rule. If a 2-digit odd number is followed by, see here, the next one is what? If a 2-digit odd number is followed by 2-digit odd number, they are to be added. See here, condition number 1 is what? 2-digit odd number is followed by, then 2-digit odd number, they are to be added. Friends, example is what? 2-digit odd number followed by 2-digit odd number. Suppose friends, take here 13 here, next one is what? Here 15. 2-digit odd is followed by 2-digit odd, they are to be added. Then total is what? 28. Go for next one. If 2-digit even number is followed by 2-digit odd number, which is a perfect square, yes. 2-digit even number is what? 20. 2-digit even number is what? 20. 2-digit even number is followed by 2-digit odd number, but which is a perfect square. 25 is a perfect square. Then even number is subtracted from odd number. Then 25 minus 20 is what? This one is what? Here 5. Next, condition number 3. Condition number 3 is what? If 3-digit number is followed by 2-digit number, then the first number is divided by second number. Yes. 3-digit number, we don't know whether it is even number or odd, whatever it may be. 3-digit number is followed by 2-digit number. Suppose 121. Next one is what? 11. A 3-digit number is followed by 2-digit number. First number is divided by second number. Now result is what? 11. Next, condition number 4. Condition number 4 is what? If prime number is followed by even number, but we don't know whether it is single digit or double digit. Prime number. Suppose friends, take this one is what? Here 7. Prime number is followed by even number. Suppose friends, check here 4. We don't know whether it is single digit or double digit. Then prime number is followed by even number. They are to be added. Now 7 plus 4 total is what? Here 11. Next, condition number 5 is what? Even number is followed by even number. They are to be added. They are to be multiplied. Now suppose take here 4 6. Even number followed by even number. They are to be multiplied. Yes. Friends, total here we are having 5 conditions and friends, these models are very important. And remember, see here. Condition number 1 is what? 2-digit odd number is followed by 2-digit odd number. They are to be added. Condition number 2 is what? If two digit even number is followed by two digit odd number, which is a perfect square. That means odd number is a perfect square. Then even number is subtracted from odd number. Next, three digit number is followed by two digit number. First number is divided by second number. Next, prime number is followed by even number. They are to be added. Next, even number followed by even number. They are to be multiplied. Yes. Now take here first one question. I will explain one question. See here. When the given is what? See here. 37, next 12, next the given is what? 21. Next one is what? 38, next one is what? 81, next one is what here? 14, next one is what here? 14, yes. Now, suppose friends check here. Friends, in row number 1 and in row number 1, see here, the given condition is what? Always we are going to perform operation is from, operation progresses from left to right. That means, row number 1, take first two number, check which condition is applicable. Why we are taking only first two number? See here, if you are going to observe each and every condition, here in every condition they are talking about only two numbers. They are talking about only two numbers. Then take a first two numbers. Row number 1, take first two number, check which condition applicable. In the same manner, row number 2, take first two number, check which condition is applicable. Now 37, 12, which condition? See here, 37, 12, two digit odd number. Yes. Next, two digit even, no chance. First condition, no chance. Second condition, two digit even number, no. Third condition, three digit number, no. Next, fourth one, prime number is followed by even number. Friends, check here, prime number is followed by even number. 37 is a prime number followed by even number. They are to be added. They are to be added. Yes. Now 37 plus 12, total is what? Here 49. Now remaining is what? 21. Yes. Next one, 38, 81. Check which condition is applicable. See here, 38, two digit even number is followed by two digit odd number, but 81 is a perfect square. Then condition number 2 and condition number 2. See here, two digit even number is followed by two digit odd number, which is a perfect square. Yes, even odd number is a perfect square. Then even number is subtracted from odd number. Then 81 minus 38. See here, 81 minus 38 here 3. Yes, this one is what? 43. This one is what here? 14. Yes. Now friends, check here in next step again. Take first two number, check which condition applicable. Next, row number 2, first two numbers, which condition? 49, 21. First condition, see here, two digit odd is followed by two digit odd. 49, 21. Two digit odd, they are to be added. Now total is what? Here 70. Now 43, 14. Which condition? First condition, no chance. Why means here even number. Second condition, no chance. Third, no chance. Fourth, prime number followed by even number. 43 prime number followed by even number, they are to be added. Resultant is what? Here 57. Yes. Now first row is what? 70. Second row resultant is what? 57. Question is what? Difference between resultant of the first row and second row. Now 70, difference is what? 57. Difference is what? Here 13. Difference is what? 13. Yes. So simply here answer is what? Option C and yes. Friends, here questions are too easy and questions are too easy, but by seeing question only don't get any scare. And if it is a mains, they will give compulsory question is lengthy. By seeing that lengthy question, don't feel question is tough. And if the question is big, question is too easy. And if the question is little bit small mains, then it will become little bit tricky. So for this one, I will give one more example. Friends, check here. Next one, check here. Question number 2. The given is for 23, 15, 12, x, 24, 49. If x is the resultant of the first row, what the resultant of the second row? Check here. Friends, 23, 15, 12, next x, 24, 49. Yes. Take first row number 1, 23, 15 and row number 2, don't take 24 and 49. Why means always we are going to perform operation is from left to right. That means first we are going to find x value, then x and 24 we should check. And now 23, 15, which condition applicable? Check first condition, two digit odd. Yes. Now total is what? Here 38. Now 38, next one is what? Here 12. Now x 24, next one is what? Here 49. Now 38, 12, which condition here? Even number means what? Condition number 5, both are to be multiplied. Now 38 into 12 and 38 into 12 friends check here 38 into 12 see here 38 into 12 12 means what here 10 plus 2 that means 380 next 38 into 2 is what here 16 next 76 that means answer is what here 456 answer is what 456 yes so 38 12 multiplication is what 456 now x 24 next one is what 49 now the given is what x is the resultant of the first row now x value is what 456 456 next 24 next one is what here 49 now 456 24 check once see here 3-digit number for this one two conditions are applicable see here even number followed by even number but we are not going to apply why means for 3-digit number they given specifically one condition yes so 3-digit number is followed by 2-digit number then first number is divided by second number now 456 divided by 24 see here 456 divided by here 24 24 here 1 next one is what 24 here next 19 yes here ending is 6 means here 9 9 into 4 is what here 6 yeah that means here answer is what 19 so this one is what 90 now this one is what here 49 so 1949 two digit are there to be added answer is what 68 there is no option then simple answer is what none of this answer is what none of this friends don't take this one is perfect square but perfect square before is what our requirement even number this one is what odd number so two digit odd number is followed by two digit odd number there to be added answer is 68 but there is no option then answer is what here none of this yes so friends if it is a demo class means just I given just what is what and what is what but if it is a regular class means only for coding and decoding only I will take total 5 sessions total 10 hours and total 10 hours 2 sessions I will take for only prelims next 3 sessions for only mains so friends here prelims if it is a preliminary exam means they will give just old models and old model each and every person is able to answer but if it is a mains and if it is a mains if we are having regular practice then only we can able to solve that too here I am going to cover minimum 3 years previous papers and that too even if you are having any doubts also that time only I will clarify okay friends thanks for today.